Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Asmita. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the things that I've purchased during Nykaa sale. The sale is still on. I'm just waiting for the products to arrive just to share with you guys the things that I bought. Some products that I got are repurchased things, so I know how they'll work and all. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And guys, I have to tell you, don't stress out yourself if you're on low budget or if you're saving up your money for the Prime Day deals. Don't worry, Nykaa will always run this sale every 3 months, so that's okay, that's totally fine. Just get the essential things. Yeah, let's get started with the video. This is the first product I got during the sale season. It's the vitamin C serum by Etude House. The original cost of this product is 1600 rupees. Can you see? I've gone through the bottle actually. Only this much is remained. My mom also used the serum and she quite enjoyed using the product, and I am so surprised because I was so scared to use vitamin C serum because I've heard that vitamin C serum doesn't suit every skin tone, especially acne prone skin. I heard that it aggravates acne in some people, so I was so scared of using vitamin C serums, especially the L-ascorbic ones. That's the most powerful form of the vitamin C. It doesn't have L-ascorbic acid. It is made of ethyl ascorbyl ether. It is a derivative of L-ascorbic acid. It's the newest derivative and there are no essential studies to prove that this ingredient is powerful, but manufacturers claim that this is the derivative, like only derivative that is most comparable to the L-ascorbic acid. That's the reason I bought this product. It also contains niacinamide, tranexamic acid, panthenol, glycerin and many beautiful ingredients. It also has vitamin E. Yeah, in offer I got it for 800ish rupees. After I've gone through the whole bottle, I was so sad. Like, I've searched online where I can find this product on offer, but I haven't seen any online sites that are selling this serum. Only Nykaa is the brand I have found selling this serum, and that too it costed like 1600 rupees without sale. I was hoping that they'll run sale on this product again. I was hoping like so much, and they did. So right away I got this new bottle. I've seen visible difference, like it made my face even tone. I've seen a slight reduction in my pigmentation too. I have been using this product from like 3 months I think, or 2.5 months. Yeah, I've seen the results. I rarely repurchase skincare products. I was always on the run to try different products from different brands, but if I'm repurchasing product, then you must know this should be a bomb thing. Tranexamic acid is also an ingredient which will help with the pigmentation, and so is the vitamin C and niacinamide. Niacinamide also has some more benefits like boosting the barrier. It also has tocopherol and glycerin, panthenol. All these 3 ingredients provide intense moisturization. So yeah, I think this product is really a beginners friendly. The ethyl ascorbic acid in this product is I think 20% or so. I'm not sure about it. I'll just put it in the description below so that you can check it out. So I found a hoodie grade product in Etude House brand, so I went overboard and bought few more things from the same brand. This is the newest product that I got from them. I haven't tried it till date. It's this Moistful Collagen Deep Cream. I just tried this one today because this just reached me today. The original cost of this product is 1600 rupees. I think in sale I've got it for 550 or 600. I don't remember the exact cost. It is a super thick cream. Can you see the texture? It is heavily fragranced. It kind of reminds me of the Pond's cream. It comes with a spatula. I really like it, guys. It comes with a spatula. I'll just show you the texture. It is a super thick cream, but it just gets absorbed like a dream, guys. It just doesn't leave any greasy film. I've used it just today, so I can't really comment on closed comedons, or if it is breaking me or not. It gives a light glow. I don't know if the camera is catching it or not, but yeah, when I applied this after kind of washing my face, it just made my skin a bit plumpier. I don't know. Just wait for another video like the empties video, maybe, probably. I'll just update you guys then, or you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll always leave like mini reviews of the products there. As I've purchased two products from the same brand, they have sent this Sunjung Hydro Barrier Cream along with those two products. I haven't tried this one out. I'm just waiting. I'm hoping this should never happen. I'm just waiting to try this when I'm having any kind of irritation, just to check whether this product's working or not. I've heard so many good reviews about this product. It's actually a cream which helps with irritated or damaged skin barrier. It has so many hydrating and soothing ingredients in it. It has green tea, medicassoside, which is derived from Centella asiatica, panthenol, and many more antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredients in it. It's like a sample bottle, so I didn't want to try this one out, but I can show you guys the texture of this product. This is how it looks. It's kind of like gel kind of texture, not exactly a gel, but yeah, it kind of reminds me of the gel. Okay, let's just take a small amount of it and try it out, just for you guys, just for you. Okay, yeah, it's kind of watery gel consistency, but oh my god, it's so soothing, and my hand feels so cool, you guys. It feels so cool. It's so hydrating, you guys. The texture is kind of deceiving, but this cream is super hydrating. Oh my god, really. I'll show you this side of my hand. See, my right hand kind of reminds me of the Sahara Desert, but this one, god, so good. I want to save this one up because I can't find this original 75 ml product on Nykaa, so yeah, that's why I want to save this one up. And also I've observed that this Sunjung range, all the products are always like on out of stock, so I always wanted to try something from this range. I think this is kind of a bomb product. This one's a keeper, I think. Let's try it out. Another thing that I got from the sale is this Flower Beauty blush balm in the shade Melon. Actually, I wanted to try the pinched one, that's more kind of a berry shade. I just wanted to try that thing, but it's on out of stock, so I've got this one. In offer, I got it for 400 rupees. Right now I'm wearing it on my cheek. I don't know if the camera is capturing it or not. One second, guys, I'll just come near. Can you see it? I've also used it like on my eye area. It's kind of a peachy shade, and the lasting power, you guys, it's amazing. It lasts super long, like super long. I've tried it in the morning itself when I received the package, and it lasted until I took bath. I've taken bath around 5:30 in the evening. So yeah, I'm really liking it, and I'll definitely try the pink shade next. Previously I have tried Benetint and many Habda products, but this one, it just stays super long compared to those things. If you want me to swatch it, guys, I'll just do it for you, but you kind of have to be careful. You should not squeeze the tube really hard because the product will spill. Can you see it? It's kind of like a peachy, orangish peachy shade, and it blends super easily, just like that. You don't need to kind of pull your skin to apply this product. It just blends just like that, and it will stay on your skin for more than 4 hours. This is how it looks. Amazing. I'm loving it. So another product that I got is related to hair, and I'm loving it. I've got another one. So it's a heat protection spray. I always style my hair like most of the days. Right now I'm working from home, so there's not much need of styling my hair on daily basis, but previously I used to style my hair like every other day. Seriously, every other day. So I am always on a run to find pretty good heat protection sprays, but I've tried like the ones from Vela, Be Blunt and everything, but I didn't like them at all. I've tried the Treseme's black bottle. I just really loved it. I got it from US. That's a bomb product, you guys. This one doesn't compare to it, but it's a pretty decent product too. With other options available in the India, I think this one's the best out there. And in this sale, the actual cost of this product is 750 rupees. In the sale I got it for 500ish rupees, and this bottle, you know, lasts really long. It has marula oil in it, and it claims the heat protection is up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So you'll get 236 ml of the product for 500 rupees. I think that's a steal. I always get it for around 500 rupees from Amazon, but this time Amazon doesn't have that offer, so I just bought it from Nykaa. If you don't want to try this product, and if you want to try any heat protection spray, just make sure that it has lots of silicons in it, because guys, silicone provides excellent heat protection. It is resistant to very high temperatures. So always look for ingredients like dimethiconol, cyclopentosinoxale, amodimethicone, cyclomethicone, silicon quaternium 22 and things like that. Like if you find anything that mentions silicons, just grab the product. It will protect your hair from very high temperature heat. That's it guys. Those are the only products that I got during this sale. But during the previous sale I got this Sebamed moisturizing cream. It has a pH of 5.5. It has 2% of vitamin E, and they claim that this cream suits sensitive skin. The actual cost of this product is some 550 rupees I think, but last time I got it for 250 rupees, and even now during the sale this one's retailing for 250 rupees. I think it's a pretty decent product. I won't say that it's kind of a holy grail and you have to grab this product. It's a pretty decent one. It will provide moisturization. It will doesn't clog your pores. You'll not get acne of any kind. It will moisturize your skin beautifully. The only downside is the fragrance. It kind of reminds me like a plastic, and it does feel something like it is not a lightweight product. You'll definitely feel some kind of heavy layer on your face, but this one's not as heavy as compared to the Requel Ceramide one. That one, I can't even express guys. It's so thick, but not hydrating as the Sebamed one. Sebamed's also thick but not as thick as the Requel one, but this one's moisturizes like a dream. And there are also really nice offers going on Avene. You can check out their sunscreens. I've tried their sunscreens, they're really good, and I love their moisturizers. I haven't tried the Cica one, but I have tried their Cleanse Matte Mattifying Moisturizer. I have gone through like 3 tubes of it. It doesn't mattify your skin. It instead hydrates your skin a lot. I really liked it. It haven't break me out. Yeah, it used to be my go-to moisturizer. I've also tried their cleansing gel, the ones that comes in the blue liquidy kind of thing. It has salicylic acid in it, but I didn't enjoy that much because it felt kind of drying on my face. So yeah, and people also claim that their thermal spring water work wonders on their skin, but basically it's just spring water. So I don't know. I have tried the spring water, like the La Roche-Posay's facial mist. It also has a spring water and some zinc kind of thing. I haven't enjoyed it that much, so I just don't want to invest that much in spring water sprays. It's a personal choice. I'm not judging anyone. just stating it out. Yeah, those are the things I've tried from that brand. I can really vouch for that brand, guys. You can just check out any product, they'll be bomb. I can vouch it for you. And I don't know if there's any offer going on Bioderma or not, but the Bioderma Cica cream, it's a bomb one. It's bomb.com, you guys. Have tried the Laneige sleeping cream, the Cica sleeping cream. I'm enjoying it, but not as much as the Bioderma Cica one. It's just amazing, guys. Just check it out if you're having like irritation or barrier issues. It just works wonders. I've also tried the Roactin one. It's also a good product, but oh my god, it's so costly. It retails for some 2000-ish rupees or something. So yeah, Bioderma Cica one, it's an amazing product. You have to check it out. And also the micellar water is really good. It just even takes the stubborn makeup off my face. I really like the oil cleansers like the Clinique oil one. It's amazing. And if I have to pick a micellar water, I'll definitely pick the Bioderma one. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for the video today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And do comment below telling me what sort of videos you want me to make in the future for you all.